Hello guys, and today we are going to learn to change the preview video color to something different other than black. By default it comes black, but you can download an image or something to change it. But in this video we won't be downloading an image, we will see a built-in way to change the color, the background color of the video. So to begin, right click in the project files and find new item. You can also click on this button, which is new item, or you can go to file and create new. You can also find the option in here. So what we are going to do is create a new color matte. In color matte settings, by default the width, height, time base and pixel aspect ratio would be the same as your sequence settings, but you can change them here. So I'm going to click OK, and the next thing we are going to do is change the color. For example, if I go with blue light, and click OK, and give it any name and click OK, you can see I've got color matte in project folders. So what we have to do is drag this and drop it into the timeline, and you can see the sequence color changed in the project files as well as in preview. You can drag this to apply the color to the entire video if you want. And yep, that's it guys. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.